is take the dimensions and properly do it. So here what we have is we have linear dimensioning. So go to annotate, and from here choose linear dimension. Don't take aligned dimensioning. Aligned dimensioning will actually give us this inclined length. We don't want inclined length. We need linear dimension. We need distance along y-axis. So we have to take linear dimensioning and provide it like this. Next up, we need the angle here. For getting angle, first we have to draw a small line over here. Okay. And then we'll have to take angle, choose the two lines, and the angle will appear automatically. Next, we have to show this angle over here. So again, once we already have the horizontal line over here, so we don't need another line. So just choose this line and this line, and place it properly at a suitable distance. Okay. Then I need to show this length 30. Again, I can go for linear length from this point to either this point, or you can choose this point, linear distance. Then I need another linear distance from this point to this point, so go for linear distance, this point to this point. Then we need to show the diameter. In order to get the diameter, again there is an option. Click on the arrow, choose diameter, click on the circle, and we have the diameter. So now here, apart from the diameter, we have to show this 2. Fine. So in order to do that, we have to first select the dimension, press ED enter. ED enter is for editing the text. So you just have to type 2 hyphen and click somewhere else. So that has ensured I'm getting this. Next, I have to show this diameter. So again, I'll take diameter, click on the circle, show diameter. Then I have to show certain linear lengths once again. Linear distance from this point, this center to this center, that is distance 32. And from this center, same distance, 32. Lastly, I'll have to take this point over to the center, that is 72. Okay. So we have completed the dimensioning this way. So for doing the additional stuff like drawing the axis and changing the thickness of the lines, we'll have to use properties toolbar. So first up, you'll have to draw these lines. So draw these lines. From the reference, you can take the center lines. Okay. Then all these lines will have to change its properties. So in order to do that, go to Home, and here we have the Properties toolbar. So from the Properties toolbar, you'll have to choose Line Type. This one is Line Type. Click on that, go to Others. First up, we have to load the line types. So many line types are available for us. You can see this is the long list. So we'll have to go for center lines. So for metric system, center 2 suits the best, 0.5x, center 2 or center with 0.5x. Load it. You can see that has got loaded up here. If you want any other type of line, you can load that as well, and that will be available here after loading. So now in order to change that, first I'll have to select all the lines which I want to change to the axis type and change them to center. You can see the size is very big, the gaps are very big. If you want to reduce the gap, you can give LTS command, line type scale, and change this, reduce this a little. So now you can see the axis lines are appearing slightly smaller. Fine. So that's about the changing the line type. Next up, you may have to change the line weight also. What happens is we need these lines, the border lines, we want them to appear slightly thicker. So we can open up this particular box called line weight and increase the thickness. So I'll just make it 0.4 thick. But it is not visible here because the line weight setting has been set to off. To make it on, you have to give LW command and turn this on. Now you can see the thickness is appearing. you have changed the thickness of only these lines. For other lines, what I'll do is I'll just match the properties. Shortcut is MA, enter. Then I'll pick this property and apply it wherever I want. Okay, apply it wherever I want it. Fine. So this I just want it as dimension. So dimension lines will be thinner, and the other lines they'll be thicker. So I'll just match this property to this line as well. So this, now our diagram is ready, and that's the end of our video.